Hello friends, welcome back to the Curious and Creative Mind channel. Please subscribe for updates and new video upload notifications. Today we will show you how to make guava masala. Cut 3 medium-sized guavas into small pieces. हम 3 अमरूद, पेड़ा और गुआवा कट रहा है. चलते हैं, let's transfer the pieces into a bowl. Add 1/3 tablespoon of rock salt. Then add 1/3 tablespoon of cumin or jeera powder. Add little black pepper powder. Add little chili powder. हम रॉक सॉल्ट, जीरा एंड चिली पाउडर ऐड किया है. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce or kasundi. Mix them well. Add finely chopped cilantro or dhania leaves. Mix them well again. हम अच्छा से मिक्स कर रहा है. It's so yummy and mouth-watering. Tasty bhi hoga. We hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.